Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Jhareshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma, and it's class 8 Maths, and our chapter is mensuration. So, student, in this chapter, we have learned about how to measure area and perimeter of any shape. And before we start, I will give you one worksheet which have included all 4 chapters, which will coming in your exam. Okay, so complete this worksheet. ओनली फाइव क्वेश्चंस हैं आई थिंक उन सब सारी वर्कशीट्स में. टोटल 4 वर्कशीट आर देयर एंड टोटल 20 क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. सम फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स, सम ट्रू एंड फॉल्स और वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस. तो आप लोगों को ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा, 1 आवर आई थिंक कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. एंड यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दैट वर्कशीट इन A4 साइज पेपर. Okay, write your name, roll number, and name, roll number, class. Okay, and then submit it into school on 12th December. Okay, understand? Now in this chapter we learn area of parallelogram. What is area of parallelogram? Base into height. Okay, area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. Okay, ट्रैंगल एंड पैरेललोग्राम में बेस इंटू हाइट होता है. बट व्हाट इज एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम? एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इज बेस इंटू हाइट एंड एरिया ऑफ ट्रैंगल इज 1/2 बेस इंटू हाइट. ओके, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम? 1/2 इंटू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड इंटू हाइट. ओके, 1/2 इंटू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड इंटू height. Now what is area of rhombus? 1/2 into product of diagonals. Okay, so now if we talk about a square, a rectangle, a trapezium, a rhombus, a parallelogram, a triangle and circle etc. are plane figure and the surface enclosed by their boundaries are called areas. We have formula to find their area. The perimeter is the distance around a figure. The plane figure are also called 2D shapes. Okay, plane figure is also called a 2D shape and the solids such as cube, cuboid, cylinder are called 3D shapes. Okay, a 3D shape is bounded by faces and these faces can be rectilinear or curved or both. Okay, understand? So now we know that what is area of square? We know that area of square is side into side. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. And what do you mean by area of circle? That is pi r square. And area of triangle we know that 1/2 base into height. और height को हम और भी क्या बोल सकते हैं? Altitude. Okay, in the case of circle, pi r square, r is the radius of the circle. Okay, the area of parallelogram base into height. Okay, understand? And yesterday we learned how to find the area of any quadrilateral, any rhombus, or we can say that any regular polygon. Okay, and we also find how to find the area of trapezium, rhombus, any quadrilateral, general quadrilateral, or area of polygon. Okay, when we want to find the area of polygon, if the polygon is there, so we can divide it into simple regular shape which we have know what is the area of that figure. Okay, suppose pentagon are there, so we can divide it into rectangle or triangle. Okay, and we can easily find the area of that figure. Okay, and we know that what is area of trapezium, we know that what is area of rhombus. Okay, and we can complete 11.2. Yesterday we completed 11.2. I hope you all are completed 11.2 in your notebook. Okay, and now solid shape. What about solid shapes? In your earlier classes you have studied that two-dimensional figure can be identified as the face of three-dimensional shape. Observe the solid which we have discussed so far. So see the solids. This is cuboid. First we can see that it's a cuboid, it's a cylinder, it's a cone, cube and pyramid. Okay, what is the difference between plane figure and solid figure? So observe that some shape have two or more than two identical faces. सी यहाँ पर हमें टू और मोर देन टू आइडेंटिकल फेसेस दिख रहे हैं. अगर हम क्यूबॉइड की बात करें तो वहाँ हमें टोटल 6 रेक्टेंगल दिख रहे हैं. ओके, सिलेंडर में हमें क्या दिख रहा है? इन सिलेंडर वी कैन सी सर्कल ऑल्सो. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. कोन में हमें एक सर्कल भी दिख रहा है एंड ट्रायंगल भी दिख रहा है. ओके, नेम देन विच सॉलिड हैज ऑल कॉन्ग्रेंट फेसेस. कॉन्ग्रेंट मीन्स सेम. सो आपको किस में दिख रहे हैं कि सारे फेसेस कॉन्ग्रेंट हैं? सो वी कैन से दैट इट्स क्यूब, क्यूबॉइड एंड वी कैन से दैट इन सिलेंडर बोथ उसके जो बेसेस हैं वो दोनों की दोनों सर्कल शेप में हैं. ओके, सो वी कैन से द टू फेसेस आर आइडेंटिकल. ओके, सी क्यूबिकल बॉक्स में आपको सारे रेक्टेंगल दिखते हैं. सिलेंडर में ऊपर और नीचे जो उसका टॉप और बॉटम होता है वो क्या होता है? सर्कल फेस में होता है. ओके, सर्कुलर बेस एंड टॉप आर आइडेंटिकल. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सो दिस वे वी कैन सी the difference between solid and plane figure. Okay, solid shapes and plane figure. The cylinder has congruent circular face that are parallel to each other. Observe that the line symmetry joining. See, अगर हम सिलेंडर की बात करते हैं तो सिलेंडर में जो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री है जो उसे ज्वाइन करती है उसके बॉटम और टॉप को, बेस को. ओके, सो observe that the line segment joining the center of circular face is perpendicular to the base. Such cylinder are known as right circular cylinder. We are only going to study this type of cylinder, though there are other type of cylinder as well. Okay, so see which is right circular cylinder. This is our right circular cylinder and this is not a right circular cylinder. Okay, so we can study about right circular cylinder here. Okay, now surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. How to find surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder? See, when we talk about a cube or cuboid or cylinder, so you have to know how many faces are there in cuboid. See, all 6 faces are rectangular in cuboid. अगर हम क्यूबॉइड की बात करेंगे तो एंड अपोजिट फेसेस आर आइडेंटिकल. सो देयर आर 3 पॉइंट पेयर ऑफ आइडेंटिकल फेसेस. ओके, आपको दिख रहा है. वैसे ही अगर क्यूब की बात करते हैं तो क्यूब में हमारे ऑल 6 फेसेस आर स्क्वायर एंड आइडेंटिकल. ओके, वैसे ही अगर सिलेंडर की बात कर रहे हैं तो सिलेंडर में बॉक्स का जो सिलेंडर में 1 सरफेस एरिया होता है एंड 2 सर्कुलर फेसेस विच आर आइडेंटिकल. मीन्स उसका टॉप और बॉटम क्या रहता है? आइडेंटिकल रहता है. बेस और टॉप हम बोल सकते हैं दे आर आइडेंटिकल टू ईच अदर. एंड विच टाइप ऑफ सिलेंडर वी हैव लर्न इन दिस चैप्टर? वी लर्न राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर. ओके, एंड you will see 11.26 is right circular cylinder and figure 11.27 is not a right circular cylinder. Okay, now how to find surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder? If you want to find the surface area, so first of all you have to know what is identical. See, अगर हम क्यूबॉइड की बात कर रहे हैं तो क्यूबॉइड में हमारे पास में टोटल 3 पेयर आइडेंटिकल फेसेस हैं. ओके, इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट क्यूब सो ऑल द फेसेस आर identical, and if we talk about a cylinder so top and base are identical. Okay, so you have to know which type of face we have to find the surface area. Okay, so if we talk about cuboid, so we know that suppose you cut and open a cuboidal box and lay it flat, we can see a net as shown below. हमने नेट बनाई थी सॉलिड शेप्स में. ओके, सो दैट नेट, अगर हम क्यूबॉइडिकल बॉक्स अगर कोई है हमारे पास में, अगर हम उसे खोलते हैं तो उसकी नेट किस टाइप से होगी? आई होप यू ऑल आर नो हाउ टू विच टाइप ऑफ नेट आर देयर. ओके, सो हमें यहाँ पर दी हुई है अगर क्यूबॉइडिकल बॉक्स है तो उसकी नेट इस टाइप से होगी कुछ. ओके, So write the dimension of each side. You know that a cuboid has 3 pair of identical face. Okay, what expression can you see to find the area of each face? So हर एक जो face है वो rectangular है, and we know that what is the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, in some cases, see here, in rectangle this is length, this is breadth and this is height. So in first हम अगर first वाले की बात करेंगे, first rectangle में जो height है that is the length breadth. Okay, so we can write L H into L plus B into H, or plus B into L and plus L into H plus B into H plus L into B. Okay, so you can write easily. अगर cuboidal box है तो what is the formula for finding any cuboid, area of surface area of any cuboid? So total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, where H is the height, L is the length and B is the breadth. Okay, so what is the formula? Formula for total surface area is, total surface area का formula क्या है? This is the formula for total surface area. Okay, understand? Of cuboid. Okay, now then the total surface area, अगर हमारे पास कोई cuboid है, सपोज एग्जाम्पल ले लीजिए, हाइट लेंथ एंड विथ ऑफ द बॉक्स शोन अबोव आर 20 सेंटीमीटर, 15 सेंटीमीटर एंड 10 सेंटीमीटर. सो आपको एल, एच और बी की वैल्यू पता है. आपको क्या करना है, उसको खाली वैल्यूज़ को आपको फॉर्मूला में रख देना है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? एंड दिस वे यू कैन फाइंड द एरिया, टोटल सरफेस एरिया of cuboid. Okay, understand? Now let's see what about cube. In cube we know that all the sides are identical. Identical means सबकी सब sides कैसी रहती हैं, cube में same रहती हैं. Okay, so when we talk about a cube, so what is the area of cube? So we can write it 6 into side, because in the cube having 6 squares. Okay, and we know that what is the area of square, side into side. Okay, or we can say that L into L. And how many square are here? See, total 6 squares. So we the area, total surface area of cube is 6L square, or we can write it 6 into side into side. Okay, because there are total 6 square. Okay, understand? नाउ व्हाट अबाउट सिलेंडर. अगर हम सिलेंडर की बात करते हैं तो सिलेंडर कुछ इस टाइप से दिखता है, और व्हेन यू want to find it, see what is the net of cylinder. The net of cylinder is this type of net of cylinder. Okay, so you have find first there are 2 circle and 1 rectangle. Okay, so we know that what is the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. What is the length of this? See here, length is 2 pi r. Why 2 pi r? Because circumference. See, हम जो बात कर रहे हैं, जो इसकी बात कर रहे हैं, जो आप circumference देख रहे हो, that is the length. Okay, so you can write 2 pi r. And what is the height? Height is your, you can take breadth. Okay, so you know that what is the area of circle. 2 circles are there. Okay, so we can write the area of the lateral surface और कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर. सो हम कर्व सरफेस एरिया की बात करेंगे तो वो होगा 2 pi r, that is L into H. ओके, एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय टोटल सरफेस एरिया? सो हमारे पास यहाँ पर 2 सर्कल हैं. सो 1 सर्कल का एरिया क्या होता है, पाई आर स्क्वायर, एंड 2 सर्कल है तो क्या हो जाएगा, 2 pi r स्क्वायर प्लस 2 pi r h. ओके, सो व्हेन वी कॉमन 2 pi r, so in bracket we can get r plus h. So here in the case of cylinder, we can write lateral surface. Lateral surface means only curved surface area. कर्व कौन सा है? कर्व सरफेस मीन्स आपका जो ये वाला जो एरिया दिख रहा है, दिस इज द कर्व सरफेस एरिया, दिस इज ओके, दिस इज द कर्व सरफेस एरिया, डेट इज 2πr/h. एंड इन सर्कल्स की बात करें तो सर्कल का एरिया क्या होता है? πr². और हियर टू सर्कल आर देयर, सो वी कैन राइट πr² plus πr², which we get 2πr². okay, understand? So this is the formula for lateral surface area and curved surface area of a circle. Okay, now let's take an example. An aquarium is in the form of cuboid whose external measure are 80 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 40 centimeter. The base side face and back face are to be covered with a colored paper. Find the area of the paper needed. कितना पेपर आपको लगेगा? The length of aquarium is given, breadth is given, height is also given. Okay, so what you can do, you know what is the area of cuboid, you know 2 into L, L into B, B into H, H into L. Okay, write it down and your answer are there. Okay, so you can write total surface area of cuboidal box. Okay, understand? Now see the question number 5th. Question number 5th is internal cuboidal room are 12, 8 and 4 meter. Find the total cost of whitewashing all 4 wall of a room if the cost of whitewashing is ₹5 per meter square. So L, B and H is given, and you know what is area of total surface area of cuboid, so you can find it. And cost per meter square is ₹5. So whatever your answer are coming, so you can multiply with 5. Okay, now this see the example 6. Example number 6 is, in a building there are 24 cylindrical pillar. The radius of each pillar, radius is given and height is given. Find the total cost of painting the curved surface area of all pillar at the cost ₹8 per meter square. Okay, so radius of cylindrical pillar is R. Okay, सेंटीमीटर में दी है, एंड जो आपको हाइट दी है वो मीटर में दी है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कैन कन्वर्ट इट इनटू meter. Okay, so it becomes 0.28 meter and height is 4 meter. So curved surface area of cylinder is 2πr/h. What is the value of pi? Value of pi is 22/7. Okay, value of pi is 22/7, and what is the value of r? 0.28 into 4 is the height. Okay, so we can find curved surface area of pillar is 7.04. Number of pillar is 24, so you can write 7.04 into 24. Okay, and cost of painting an area of 1 meter square is ₹8. So what can you do? Multiply by 8, so your answer are there. Okay, understand? So if you know the formula, you can easily solve the question. Okay, understand? Now see same the question number 7, example number 7 here. Now let's see 11.3 exercise. So in 11.3, question number first is, there are two cuboidal boxes are shown in the adjoining figure. Which box require the lesser amount of material to make? So see here, आपको दोनों बॉक्स का क्या दिया हुआ है? लेंथ, ब्रेथ एंड हाइट दी हुई है. यू कैन फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबॉइड, एंड whichever is greater you can write it down. Okay, अंडरस्टैंड? कौन से बॉक्स का मटेरियल ज़्यादा लगेगा आपको लिखना है. फॉर्मूला आपको पता है. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबॉइड? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, now total surface area of cuboid. What is the total surface area of cuboid? Total surface area of cuboid भी हमें पता है 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, and we can find the area of cuboids, and then you can see which area is greater. Okay, understand? Now let's see question number 2. A suitcase with measure 80 centimeter into 48 into 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meter of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcase? So we know that suitcase is the shape of cuboid, and we know that what is total surface area of cuboid. So we can write the formula, and we know that what is the length, breadth and height of the cuboid, and we can find the area. First of all, we can find the area, and we know that surface area of 1 meter of tarpaulin is 100 centimeter into 96 centimeter. So what is the surface area of cuboid? Tarpaulin is 9600 meter centimeter square. Okay, so आपको 1 सूटकेस के लिए कितना लगेगा? सो यू कैन इजीली फाइंड. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. फाइंड द साइड ऑफ क्यूब whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the side of cube. आपको find the side of cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. So surface area is given already, and we know that cube having 6 faces and all the 6 faces are identical. So what is the area of total surface area of cube? If the one side will be x, so we can write 6x square. Okay, so 6x square is equal to 600. Okay, x square is equal to 600 upon 6, so that is 100, and x is equal to 10. Okay, so the required side of cube is 10 centimeter. Okay, understand? So this way you complete the questions. Now let's see question number 5, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. You have to complete all this question by yourself. Okay, have a good day.